to Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. Also, if you're interested in learning some tips and techniques of how to keep your home and life organized, register for my free 5 days to an organized home and life course. The link will be in the description box below. So today I want to discuss with you 5 or actually 6 ways that you can make money off of Amazon. Yes, Amazon does not have to be a one-way street for us to send our money to. We can actually kind of get some money back from Amazon. So the first way is a program called KDP. It's actually Kindle Direct Publishing, and you can actually sell books on Amazon. I know it sounds kind of a little overwhelming and like, how am I going to sell a book? I'm not an author. I don't have a book. What do I do? It's actually pretty simple. So I actually recommend, if you are someone that wants to make any type of books, but most likely if you want to do like a calendar or a planner or something that doesn't require a lot of writing, you can actually go on canva.com, and I will leave a link to Canva below, and you can create whatever you want. And I really recommend, when you first start out with KDP, to get a book that has a lot of blank pages. Like, you can create like a notebook where you can have like the cover, a lot of blank pages, whether you're going to number it or not, and then the back. So you basically create your design, upload it to Canva, and what they'll do is they'll do what's called print on demand. So if someone goes online and orders your book, they don't have to have a million of them in stock. KDP will print it on demand and send it to them, and they will send you your money, based upon, their time frames for the finances and things like that. But you can actually be an author, sell a book without even having to write a ton of books, or go to a publishing company and try to get self-published or anything like that. You can just basically do it yourself with KDP. So I definitely recommend you look into that. Also, another way you can make money from Amazon is to join their affiliate program. So basically, once you join their affiliate program, and I think almost anyone can get on it, you don't have to be a certain person or whatever, but they will set it up to where you can have links, and it's called an affiliate link. So say, for example, you're a blogger, or say, for example, you always love everything from Amazon and you recommend them to people all the time. You could send an affiliate link to whatever you're recommending to the person, and you will get a percentage of that sale. And another thing is, it tracks them. So say, for example, I send you a link, or you send me a link to something really small, like some, black Sharpie pens. Everyone knows how much I love those. But while I'm online, I purchase a laptop, or I purchase anything else, I will get a percentage, or you would get a percentage of that entire purchase. So if I spend like $2,000, the person will get a percentage of that. So that affiliate program is good, because we are always recommending things on Amazon to our family and friends. So hey, we might as well get paid for it. Another thing, or online with that, is you can have what's called an Amazon store. So I actually have an Amazon store, and I have things listed by category. So they'll be like cruise trip must-haves, or home office must-have, planner must-haves, holiday gift guide, things like that. And I'll promote my store, and I'll tell people, hey, this is my store. I don't have to physically have these items, but if someone goes to the store, they'll see this nice curated list of all the things that I think they should purchase. If they purchase something, I will get a small commission. Now, granted, these small commissions are not a lot. I mean, you're not going to quit your day job for it. But when you're talking about passive income, there are all the little things, pretty much add up. And who knows, you can be the next large influencer, and you can get big with your Amazon store. The next thing you can do is sell products and services, or actually become an Amazon seller. And it's not just products. You can actually sell services. So if you're like a handyman, if you do things around the house, you can advertise that on Amazon and get paid for it. So if that is something that you're interested in, I definitely recommend you going online, doing your research, and getting listed for your products and services with Amazon. Another thing is there's called this shopper panel, the Amazon shopper panel. And this is something you have to be invited to. I was invited to it. So what Amazon wants you to do is take pictures of your receipts for like everyday purchases. Not things you purchase from Amazon because they already know how much those things cost. But they want to see like basically, you know, what you're buying, how much you're buying it for, so they can know how to, you know, do their whole market research. And then you just take a picture of it and you upload it to Amazon. And then they also have like sometimes little surveys, and they'll give you, you know, 50 cents or whatever for a survey. But that's another way to make money from Amazon. So like right now you upload 10 receipts and I think you get like $10 or something. But like I said, every little bit counts. Another thing you can do is deliver for Amazon or work at an Amazon fulfillment center in their warehouse. So yes, Amazon may not be the best employer to work for because I've heard that they're not the best for their people. Almost like Walmart, and we all know, you know, Walmart doesn't let them have unions, and that's a whole other story. We'll have to talk about that maybe on a hot topic or something. But Amazon's fulfillment and driving, they're always hiring. So if you are in between jobs, if you're looking for something, because I know right now with the pandemic, you know, things are getting kind of tight. So you can always look for getting hired or getting a job at Amazon. So I hope these tips, these ideas and suggestions are things that you can take and you can actually consider. If you do decide to do something, especially the KDP, come back to this video and leave it in the comment section below. I would really love to support you in your endeavors. So I really hope this information was good for you. So thank you very much and have a divine day. Bye.